Hey folks, welcome back. Today I would like to share with you my ultimate favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe. I learned this recipe while working in a kitchen as a pastry chef a few years back. It's a super simple yet versatile recipe with one ingredient that truly makes it special. That ingredient is, of course, our brown butter. To brown butter, you'll need to place your butter in a saucepan and let it melt down and simmer for roughly 8 to 10 minutes. Until you get a deliciously golden and dark brown speckled mixture. Should look a little something like this. Brown butter just adds that amazingly toasty, warm, caramelly taste to any recipe. Once our butter has browned, we can add our sugar. We have 2 types of sugar for this recipe, brown and white. Once those are combined, add your butter to that and then add your eggs and vanilla extract. Once smoothed, add in your dry ingredients and lastly your chalky chips. When your dough looks a little something like this, then you know it's done. Wrap it up and pop it in the freezer for roughly half an hour. Pull out when it's firm and start weighing out your cookies. I go for an easy 23 grams each. Place on your baking tray and pop back in the freezer for another 10 minutes. Then pop them into the oven for a further 10 to 12 minutes. When they look like this, they are done. Sprinkle with a little bit of flaky salt and enjoy. That's all from me today, folks. I hope you give this recipe a go, and while you are here, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.